Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to check if a string follows a raised to the power n, b raised to the power n pattern or not. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a string str, return true if string follows pattern a raised to the power n, b raised to the power n, that is, it has a's followed by b's such that number of a's and b's are same. For input string AABB, output will be yes, as we have two A's and two B's. For input string ABAB, output will be no, as we have B before A in this case. For input string AABBB, output will be no, as number of A's is not equal to number of B's. The idea is to first count A's. If number of A's is not equal to half of string's length, then return false, else check if all the remaining characters are B or not. Now let's have a look at the implementation. Define n as length of the string, count the number of A's, traverse through the string and check if string I is not same as A, then break. Since count of A's and B's should be equal, A should appear exactly n by 2 times. So if I into 2 is not equal to n, return false. Rest of the characters must all be B. Traverse j from I till n, and if string j is not equal to B, return false. If we exit from the loop, return true. The time complexity of this solution is order n, as we have a single loop for string traversal. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.